Hello guys, today I'm very excited to show you this new product that I received. It is a watch brand and well, I already take it off from the package. I'm going to be showing it to you. It is like this and I think this product it is perfect for like a gift for holidays or maybe a birthday or maybe for your mom or your daughter, I don't know, but I like it a lot because it has like some details here. Okay, so I think it looks perfect. And let me show you, I have here my Apple Watch, so I'm going to be taking it off these brands from here. Okay, let me take it off. And well, I like it also because you can use this part to protect the Apple Watch. Okay, let me put this one that it goes first. Okay, it looks like this, so I think it will look really beautiful. Okay, let me put it. Okay, now like you can see, I already put here the case in the Apple Watch, and I like it a lot because it is super bright. And well, another thing is that it protects a lot all the parts of the smartwatch or the Apple Watch. Okay, also here in this part, and then I put this part first, then I'm putting it this one. Okay, I'm going to put this one here. And okay guys, this is finally how the product it looks. I think it's perfect. Really, if someone bought me this, I would love it a lot because it looks incredible. And this is what I was telling you, that it protects a lot all the Apple Watch, all the parts. And well, I like it too much. I think it looks incredible and I hope you like it.